Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google reviews not showing up publicly. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Google Maps app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the Contribute icon in the bottom tray of icons and all of your reviews will be displayed on your screen. If you can't see them, then make sure to sign into the correct Google account. After that, tap on the View Your Profile embed at the top. Then tap on the three dots icon at top right corner and then select Profile Settings from the drop-down menu. Now if you scroll down, you will be able to enable the setting to make your reviews public. Simply make sure it is enabled and you'll be good to go. If your reviews are still not showing up, try waiting for a day or two, as sometimes it takes a while for Google to update and display new reviews publicly. So that's basically how you can fix Google reviews not showing up publicly. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.